Take the quad here. Gonna run over this case. I mean, if you're out in the woods, you're hunting, you throw this in the back of your quad, maybe it falls out, you circle back, you run over it, it could happen. Yeah, we're gonna run over it, see if it holds up. Much like that drop test, we're scratched up, we're scarred up, we're nicked up, but I don't see any breaks. I mean, everything seems to be okay. The top is sort of, I don't know, bowed in a little bit. Not real sure if that's suction or if something's actually bent, but it's still functional and everything looks to be still be sealed really well.